Have you ever wondered what makes a 100-gram candy bar so unique? Let's dive into its perfect blend of chewy caramel, rich milk chocolate, and crunchy rice. The key to the 100 grams distinctive taste is its combination of chewy caramel and crispy rice, both wrapped in rich milk chocolate. This texture creates a satisfying mouthfeel. The caramel in a 100 gram is carefully crafted to be gooey yet perfectly balanced, ensuring that it melts smoothly without being overly sticky or overly hard. The milk chocolate shell of the bar has a solid snap when you break it, adding to the sensory experience. The chocolate is also designed to complement the caramel and rice. The crispy rice pieces are another essential element of the 100 grams texture, adding a delightful crunch that contrasts with the smoothness of the caramel and chocolate. Home cooks can recreate this iconic texture by following recipes that mimic the original 100-gram bar, combining crispy rice cereal with gooey caramel and a smooth chocolate coating. In summary, the 100-gram success lies in its carefully balanced combination of chewy caramel, crispy rice cereal, and rich milk chocolate. This unique blend makes it a classic treat. How do you enjoy your 100 gram? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love this, try making homemade versions following our links for recipes and ingredients.